Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Filtering not this and not that. Let's explore how to filter for not this and not that. A good example of removing two different factors is in our item list. We can activate the filter pane to see how to exclude multiple items. For instance, if I wanted to exclude one factor, like chairs, from the list, I would filter the description to exclude any entries containing chair by using the not condition with an asterisk. This removes all chairs from the list. If I also wanted to remove another item, like bundles, I could apply another not filter with an asterisk to exclude anything containing bundle. After hitting enter, the list will no longer display any chairs or bundles. You can continue refining your list with more exclusions as needed.